Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get Minecoins for free. So you can actually get Minecoins for free if you know this. So if you don't already know, so you can earn gift cards particularly on Minecraft for the Xbox gift card. So you can earn gift cards by using the Microsoft rewards. So as you can see here, the rewards here. So all you have to do is go ahead and complete these activities so that you can earn Microsoft points so that you can go ahead and redeem available gift cards here. So as you can see, there aren't any Xbox rewards right now, but it will depend on the day and the date also. So it will also depend on your level. So once you um, gone ahead and see Xbox gift cards here, you can then redeem it if you meet the points. So all you have to do is go ahead and answer this or do this activity. So example this one. So there. So all you have to do is go ahead and as you can see, I've earned 5 points by just clicking that link, as you can see. And there guys, that is basically how you can earn rewards and earn gift cards for free. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.